It's all coming together today at Mazda. M-Day, Mazda's only one day, once a year sale. M-Day, your chance to save. M-Day, today only at Mazda dealerships everywhere.
Feels like the wild weather just keeps on slamming into us at the moment, and tonight it's happening again. We have heaps of severe weather warnings in place. Today in Adelaide it was 16 degrees, but it would have been the winds that you would have noticed most. They ripped through. They were in excess of 100 kilometres per hour in some parts of the state, caused a lot of damage. It's 12 degrees in the city now, but it feels a lot colder than that because of the wind chill. Now across our suburbs, the hills copped the strongest winds together with the areas by the coast and
it's
also
12 o'clock.
other elevated areas, and the rain is still on the way. Some of the biggest falls have been on the Eyre Peninsula. The winds weren't as strong through the north though, and temperatures were in the teens. There was some more rainfall around the south and Kangaroo Island, Mount Gambier today, and those northerly winds ripped through. They were strongest by the coast and once again in those elevated areas. Now those white arrows pushing into South Australia, they're the winds, and they're dragging freezing cold polar air over our state. New South Wales and Victoria are also preparing for the blast. They'll cop it after us, and many towns there are also bracing for snow. Now that flood alert is in place for the mid-north. Big totals possible, plus the storms, wind and hail. Really cold temperatures too, just 7 for Clare. Mount Gambier will struggle to crack into double digits, and right through the state it will feel a lot colder than the stated maximums because of the wind, the hail and the rain. A big chunk of the state tonight under a severe weather warning, the red area there for damaging winds and heavy rainfall. On top of that, we've got the Mount Lofty ranges shaded and the mid-north for their flood alerts in place. And the sheep graziers warning indicates any region expecting the cold, wet and windy weather, so that's basically everywhere. The marine wind warnings for tomorrow are really widespread. That gale warning includes our Adelaide coastline, and no surprises to see such big seas up to 4 metres. The southern suburbs will probably see more rain than the northern suburbs tomorrow, and of course we're watching Mount Lofty here for snow. In the city, going for that top of 11 degrees, we could see another 25 millimetres worth of rain falling. The 7-day forecast, when does it end? Well, when we wake up on Wednesday morning, certainly clearer, calmer skies, but it's going to be really cold still for the next few days after that, because all of that cold air will be hanging around. In the meantime though, a very wild night on the way. Kate and Brenton, everyone of course being advised to take care for the next 24 hours.
Absolutely, and we're seeing some of that starting behind you just there, Jessica, making us feel cold. Thank you. And that's Adelaide's 9 News this Monday. Stay tuned for more from the newsroom a little later this evening.
And you'll find tonight's stories as well as breaking news on our website. For now though, it's time for a current affair. Bye for now.